Civil Engineering Bits. Hello, welcome to our channel again.
Today we will start a new series on railway engineering.
The history of railways is closely linked with civilization. As the necessity arose, human beings developed various methods of transporting goods from one place to another. In the primitive days, goods were carried as headloads or in carts drawn by men or animals. Then efforts were made to replace animal power with mechanical power. In 1769, Nicholes Carnot, a Frenchman, carried out the pioneering work of developing steam energy. This work had very limited success, and it was only in the year 1804 that Richard Trevithick designed and constructed a steam locomotive.
The credit of perfecting the design goes to George Stephenson. In 1814 he produced the first steam locomotive used for traction in railways.
The first public railway in the world was opened to traffic on 27th of September, 1825 between Stockton and Darlington in the United Kingdom. The first railway in Germany was opened from Nuremberg to Fürth in 1835. The USA opened its first railway line between Mohawk and Hudson in 1833.
Thank you. We will look into construction aspects of railway lines in our next episode.